Menopause 911 here, because aching joints shouldn't be your new normal. If climbing stairs or opening jars suddenly feels like a workout, you're in good company. Let's ease the creaks and get you moving freely again. Why do joints start complaining loudly? Estrogen has anti-inflammatory effects and helps maintain cartilage and joint lubrication. When levels drop, inflammation can rise, cartilage thins, and muscle-supporting joints weaken, leading to stiffness, aches in knees, hips, hands, or shoulders. This affects a huge number of women, often starting in perimenopause alongside other symptoms like fatigue or sleep issues that make pain feel worse. It's not just aging, it's a direct hormonal link that can mimic arthritis. Your joints are throwing a protest march against the estrogen shortage, complete with picket signs saying, "We miss our cushioning." But the good news is that understanding this helps you target relief instead of just popping painkillers. Gentle daily movement like walking or swimming keeps joints mobile. Strength training builds supporting muscles. Anti-inflammatory foods, omega-3s, turmeric, berries, and maintaining a healthy weight reduce load on joints. Over-the-counter aids like glucosamine or topical creams can help. Discuss HRT or other anti-inflammatory options with your doctor if pain is persistent. Physical therapy or yoga improves flexibility and posture. Joint pain doesn't have to sideline you. Small, consistent steps bring big relief. Which tip will you try first? Comment below.